Can I export my data from TickTick? If you are wondering whether you can export your data from TickTick, you are in the right place. Let's break down how this works and what you need to know. Yes, you can export your data, but there is a catch. This feature is only available through the TickTick web application. Unfortunately, you cannot export data using the desktop or mobile applications. When you export your data, it generates a comma-separated values file. This file can be opened in spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel. The export includes all your tasks, whether they are open, completed, archived, or marked as won't do. This means you will have a complete record of your task history at your fingertips. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. While the export captures text content such as task descriptions and notes, it does not include any media attachments. If you have images or files attached to your notes, those will not be saved in the exported file. This could be a problem if you're relying on those attachments for your study materials or notes. On the bright side, TickTick also allows you to export habit logs. This feature can be very useful for tracking your study habits and routines. You can analyze these habits later in Excel or similar tools. This can help you manage your study time effectively by giving you a clearer picture of your productivity patterns. Exporting your data can be a practical way to review what you have accomplished and reflected on your study plans. If you are considering switching to another task management tool, having your data exported can make that transition smoother. It also serves as a backup for your study plans, ensuring you do not lose any important information. To sum it up, exporting data from TickTick is a straightforward process through the web app. It is a handy tool for managing your study time effectively. Just remember that media attachments will not be included in the export file. So, if you need those attachments, you might want to find another way to back them up.